Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. Google just released Gemma 3, so the newest model based on Gemini 2.0, and it has a few key features. The first one is it is the world's best single accelerator model, which means it can fit on a single GPU or TPU host. The second feature is it supports 140 languages. That's a lot of languages. The third one is it has advanced text and visual reasoning capabilities. So it is a multimodal. And the fourth one is it has bigger context window. And if you look at the Arena Owl score, basically it has a pretty good score. And if you go to their Hugging Face blog, it claims to have a good ranking within the top 10 from the LMSys Owl score. So, which it also kind of proves that it is a very good model. So, of course, the rank number one is Grok 3, which is still very popular from X.com. But I can see Gemma 3.27b also performs pretty well, and it is a dense model. So, if you look at the other benchmarks, it's also pretty good. So, if you want to test it out, there are two ways. The first is to follow this README. Install the transformers from Hugging Face and also just run this Python script. The other way, which I can show you, is to use the Ollama and also the OpenWebUI. So if you have not followed this channel, so we have a few tutorials to show you how to set up Ollama and the OpenWebUI on Kaggle. And we have already set it up, so we're not going to cover how to set it up in this video, but if you check out the other videos in this channel, and also if you have any questions, just leave a comment. So that being said, let's continue. So we have downloaded two models. One is for the Gemma 3 12b. The other one is Llama 3.11b. We want to use Llama 3.11b to compare the Gemma 3 to see how Gemma 3 performs, and specifically if this actually works on Kaggle GPUs. And let's go to the OpenWebUI interface. So you can see that we already made a few tests. And the first test we actually run is the general test, not the vision capabilities. So if you look at the first question that we ask, it is basically the landing page for crypto trading company. The landing page should have 5 sections: header, hero banner, market real-time and trend diagram, product features, and the contact us. Make sure the landing page looks slick and modern. Please use inline HTML, CSS, and JS and create a single HTML file for this page. And it actually did a pretty good job. So if you look at the generated results, this is pretty good. But the thing is, it doesn't have the JS. So you can see that while I click around it, it doesn't jump. But it did have a real-time market trend. This is also nice. Let's go back to OpenWebUI. So you can see that the crypto company landing page actually created a pretty good one, but there's a little bit issues, but overall it is a good answer. So let's move to the next question that we asked. So the next question is also a task question that we asked is for how many A letters in the word Alibaba, but they did it wrong. So they're supposed to do 3 letters, but they say there's 4 A letters. So not sure if this is something that we should concern about, but the Gemma 3 did not answer these simple questions correctly. And then we went to the vision capabilities. So for example, we try to ask the Gemma 3 12b extra text, extra context. So what is the password in this picture? You can see the password is aae.eu, but for some reason it did not be able to process it. I think the reason is the Gemma 3 does seem to support older GPUs. So if you look at the GPUs on Kaggle.com, and Kaggle has 2 GPUs, one is for T4, the other for P100. So with P100, it doesn't work. The T4 does not work for the images either, but T4 does work for the text. And there's errors that shows the issue, which I think is the some of the issues that you can find in here. But it leads to some forward functions that doesn't work with the older GPUs. But anyway, so let's continue with the OpenWebUI. So you can see that if we switch to Llama 3.211b vision model, as you can see here, it did work. So if you switch to Llama 3.2 vision, so which means Llama 3.2 vision supports older GPUs. So you can see that we ask what animal is on the candy, even though the answer is not exactly right, but it did read the image and be able to process it. And also for the password assistance, this is the correct answer. We also use Llama 3.2 vision. You can see the answer is AAU, and then this Llama 3.2 vision is answered correctly. So this is some of the tests that we have run for the new Gemma 3 model from Google. The last thing is, if you want to try it out, there's a Hugging Face space. You can try it out. Just go to the Hugging Face projects and Gemma 3 12B, and you can be able to test it. So, and you can see that it is pretty good, and it identified all the objects correctly. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.